I was a real fan of GoPros and I used the GoPro 5 to death. In fact, it was so bad the switches were rubbed off and everything was getting worn out. So I bought another one. I liked it so much. Anyway, in the end, my old GoPro 5s got worn out. The first one, all the switches got rubbed out and plastic was missing. The second one, I took it to Menorca and for the first time, it froze totally solid. I had to take everything out and stop filming for a while, put the battery back in, still didn't work. Left the battery out for about a week and then it actually started to work again, but I thought after that, I don't think I can trust it. First time I used the 9, 4 lockups in 10 minutes. The second time I used it, the picture just froze. So after going on the internet and seeing everyone else was having problems, I thought, oh, I'm in the same boat as them. The new firmware is 1.7. That went on this morning, and I've been out now for about 30 minutes or so, and so far, no lockups. Because I haven't used the GoPro for so long, to be honest, I had to spend half an hour this morning relearning what everything did and looking at the settings. I'm videoing in 2.7K, so that allows me to zoom in at 1080 later on if I want to, or use the zoom on the camera itself. The combination of using 4K or 2.7K and then being able to zoom in manually later in post is fantastic. I hope this hasn't got the old plastic skin look that the Hero 7 had. I didn't like that. I blame mobile phones for that. Beautifiers. Just to test the camera zoom, this is a zoomed in shot. It's at full zoom. I'm at 2.7K. And hopefully the sharpness hasn't gone down too much when you use the full zoom on this camera. Every time I come up here, this bench is turned 180 degrees, so today it's facing the sun. I can never resist that sign. Thank God for selfie sticks. This is the sound of the GoPro's internal microphone, and what I've done is I've put the GoPro inside a hedge because it's a bit windy and I think it's not going to stand up to the wind, but that's the sound of the internal microphone. Well, the GoPro 10 is now out, and it's been out nearly a year, and no one has been moaning anything like as much about the 10 as they did the 9, and I am kind of tempted, but the one thing about the 10 is the price. The price of that camera is so close now to a proper camera like the ZV-1 or something like that, that I'm not sure whether it's worth risking again after my experience with this 9. Although having said that, this 9 has been perfect all throughout this journey for the first time ever since I've used it. So the updates have done something, that's for sure. Please consider subscribing and press the old thumbs up. Hope to see you next time. Cheers for now.